develop new innovative and successful products under increasing time pressure? How can you follow market trends and make right decisions in such a limited time frame? How can you deliver the best product and consumer experience? Dassault Systems has developed social ideation and creative design, a unique approach for high-tech companies that delivers more best-selling products faster. Let's see in a typical creative studio how to address key development phases of Cassiopeia, an inspired high-tech digital camera. Imagine a company where all creative people are connected together. Let's begin by talking about the inspiration phase, where the concept of social ideation will motivate all contributors on the social platform.
Cassiopeia is the next generation of digital camera for creative designers. It's more than just shooting a photo. It allows designers to take a photo, to sketch on a photo, but also to 3D print their photo, to scan texture and scan 3D object. But it's also a connected camera. To make this new experience, we have to totally rethink the way we create our product, making people working together from design, engineering, and system. And to do so, we use the 3D Experience platform, with this social innovation platform and social inspiration and ideation tools.
To make Cassiopeia, we use the social platform to reach design excellence by involving the right contributors for getting the best design ideas. With the click of a mouse, new participants become members of a new creative design community. During the inspiration phase, all members can easily share ideas, trends, and thoughts, leveraging the advanced 3D and interactive capabilities of the platform with posts, comments, and likes. All disciplines in a company and its ecosystem can participate in the creation process. Creative designers benefit from collaborative ideation and innovation capabilities, leveraging the 3D dashboard that monitors and communicates project status design trends, inspiration walls, blog articles, and others. This displays information from external communities that each creative designer can enrich and nourish from. In a couple of clicks, anyone can share an interesting article with colleagues or partners. All users can access and reuse 3D data from the dashboard. The 3D data can be easily viewed, explored, and even exploded to ensure clear understanding of the project. To manage the project, an idea funnel is available, where anyone can navigate, study, compare, and challenge ideas. The size of the dot represents the number of likes made. Based on this information, managers can mature them from proposal to concept up to validation. What if all industrial designers and stylists had the powerful instinctive tools which would allow them to focus on innovation? Katia Natural Sketch is a breakthrough concept. This integrated 3D sketching solution allows industrial designers to create 3D sketches to express and communicate their creativity. This means they can be more creative by exploring more design alternatives. This 3D sketching technology is a paradigm shift in the ideation step. It gives designers the ability to transform their 2D idea into a 3D reality and to explore detailed design variations directly on 3D objects. 3D sketching permits a better understanding of design intent, surfaces, and volumes, which avoids misinterpretation of 2D views. Bringing together the intuitive gesture of painting and the power of realistic 3D modeling, Katia Natural Sketch can be used at all phases of the creative workflow. This accelerates the creative process by bringing a better level of communication between designers and the rest of the team. What if digital modelers could easily convert any idea into a solid, high-quality model? Now, based on this 3D sketch concept, the same designer or another can enter the concept modeling phase with a dedicated workbench called Katia Imagine and Shape. Based on subdivision surfaces technology, modelers can sculpt in 3D very quickly, while keeping surface curvation continuity under control. The clay modeling type process is very intuitive and easy to learn. The geometry can be modeled just by pushing, moving, or rotating the virtual clay model. This modeling approach gives a lot of creativity, flexibility, and freedom. By drawing curves, you can express your creativity directly in 3D until you find the right design. It's key for high-tech companies to save time exploring concept design variations and to make the right choices for volumes and shapes. Digital modelers can also sketch subdivision surfaces and preview the level of detail. What if digital modelers and surface design experts could be on the same page? After the concept design phase is delivered to the subdivision surfaces, the project is in the hands of the Freeform surface modeler. This expert in advanced surface modeling will create the final high-quality shape that represents the design intent, all while respecting the engineering and manufacturing constraints. The design process benefits from associativity to the original 3D sketch at all times. If we look more closely at the fading edge area, we notice that the surface quality needs to be enhanced. Thanks to direct modeling, the Freeform surface modeler can modify surfaces using control points and interactive tools such as zebra highlights in order to reach a better perceived quality. It is a unique way to allow engineers to rapidly fine-tune patches while keeping associativity. Interactive analysis helps engineers assess the quality of the shape anytime during the modeling phases. This integrated approach fosters the creation of very high-quality surfaces in a minimum amount of time. This precision of direct modeling allows the user to reach a high level in terms of highlights. It enhances reflections for a better perceived quality. What if decision makers could harness accurate information to define the best consumer experience and make the right choices? Major decisions are taken first with virtual prototypes. Having a high-end visualization and rendering solution is a strong requirement for creative designers and decision makers. They need leading-edge and accurate technologies to visualize, present, and share their design. Katia Live Rendering is the integrated solution for multiple needs based on two consistent visualization modes: real-time visualization and interactive ray tracing. With real-time visualization, designers can easily explore shapes, materials, colors, and trim combinations and see interactively how light reflections interact with the material and the shape of the object. It's leveraging the modeling experience thanks to real-time visualization. And for design decision and team review, interactive ray tracing allows designers to simulate physically correct renderings. Managing lights, textures, and a precise material behavior allows the user to make accurate decisions by comparing different alternatives. Rendering performances reach such a level of interactivity that you can engage live discussions. All this without any compromise on the quality of rendering, thanks to Katia Live Rendering global illumination and ray tracing. Usage is based on a photographic user experience. These rendering functions can be used by designers and digital modelers at any stage of the creative workflow throughout the project. Designers and managers can now make accurate design decisions on a physically correct virtual model. Design validations are also made with physical prototypes. 3D print is used all along the creative design workflow, not only at the end of the project, but throughout the entire process to help designers make the right decisions. Multiple prototypes can be created that use different materials. The first one is for ergonomic study, to validate by hand surfaces and volumes at the concept clay modeling phase. The second prototype is for physical validation, to assemble and combine all complex components together. And also to study the physical complex mechanisms and usability, assembling existing parts with the new concept. After multiple design explorations and validations, the most advanced version of the prototype is here to confirm what was decided with previous versions. To reach success, decision makers need a range of tools and technologies to be able to make the right choices. Now with immersive and augmented reality, we can mix virtual and physical prototypes together. First, to walk around your model as in real life with your tablet sensors, and second, to experience your product by combining the real world and the digital model by tracking a target. In conclusion, Dassault Systems has developed a unique approach to social ideation and creative design. This unified industrial design workflow solution is tailored for high-tech creative designers who need to imagine, create, manipulate, explore, and validate more ideas. Design teams can create the right design faster by harnessing accurate information and correctly predicting the customer experience.